Okay, so now I'm gonna explain you the installation kit, what we got here for the universal fin plugs. So they have their own jig. They made an adapter to the Future leash plug kit from Futures. So it's like this little adapter to go on this jig. There's a ring for the difference of the center plug and the side plug, so that makes sense. You can just install your router bit one time perfectly and then you never change this. You just put this for the center plug in and you put this out of this if you want to install the side plug. So really easy work. You also reuse the Futures measurement tool here, so we will adapt this as well from universal plugs. But anyway, you also use this, can reuse your US box router tool here. If you don't have it, we have all the products on our online shop. We have it as a set, but we have all the products as well as a single product there. So if you have already this, you don't need to buy, you can just reuse it. So it's pretty eco in this way as well. So first thing, you're gonna set up your router bit. So you put this in. Gonna stand the router in here, make sure it's not plugged into the electricity. So I leave this out because I want to measure right now the side plug. So I put these on the Makita router. I'm gonna put the jig on and now we have the right depth. And here I can check now if the depth is set it right. You want to have it like 0.5 millimeter or 1 millimeter above this flat spot because you're gonna sand this here off. So I'm gonna put this like 1 millimeter of the flat spot. Amazing. So get this off, getting this off as well, and then fasten and close this. So this is fixed now. We can also check, because for putting this ring here inside, it needs to be underneath the blue ring. So you can put it in here from this side, just lock it in, get the blue ring on it. There's always this cut in, it's for the right dot to hold your router bit. So make sure that slides above it. As you can see here, this little gap. So in future they will also have another ring. Instead the blue one, they're gonna do like a bit more taller one, and then it's just the changing of the ring. But this is how it works right now. You can check the center plug as well, if this is fitting here as well. Yes, looks nice, looks good. It's like 0.5 mil, so we could bring it up 0.5 millimeter to have 1 millimeter above. I'm gonna do that now because maybe it was sinking down slightly. So I'm gonna open up it and get this just a bit more out. So the cool thing, if you just install this universal fin plugs, or if you have a second router from Makita, you never change this again for this plug system. So that's really amazing. And you have just one router bit, so you just add this little ring and then you have the different depths. You cannot sink too much in, which is also cool, so it's pretty safe for everyone who starts to install fin plugs. And yeah, now we're gonna do it and cut these fin plugs in. So for this, like you are used to, you set your fin plug measurement tool here, get the dot in the back, set it perfectly, set that jig on the line like that. Because we're cutting the side plug, I'm gonna put out this ring now again. Get this blue ring down here, and now we're gonna install this. So for this step I'm gonna use my mask. Okay, let's do this. Don't forget to plug it in. So for this step, you can check your plug if everything is nice, if you have the right depth. So the first plug is always like that one, where you're gonna see if it's the right depth you did. So right now, here it's flat. I wanna have it a bit more deeper, and here it's coming off a bit. So I'm gonna get this little router bit a bit more up. Unplug this. Open this here. Set it up a bit more higher. Gonna go for this. So to move that out, you can use your fin again, and right now you can use this future thing that you can lift the plug out easy. So for the first installation it's like that. The other ones, as you can see here on the next, it's gonna be super easy. So just set your plug perfectly on it again. Nice, that looks good. You can also drive around here with your router without turning it on, so it will adapt the right. Yes, so everything works here. Now I'm gonna turn it on, plug it in, get my mask on. Okay, let's set up the second one here. Same thing. Get back on that dot. Good tip is to get the board set it up well on the rack. All right. Now we got the second one. Okay. Check the second plug, how that worked. So the back is good, the front not too much because I need to lift it up right now. It's because of the concave here, so I'm gonna put this out now. Got this little thing underneath here, and now I'm gonna press it a bit more down there so the plug will be set it up perfectly. As you know, on Futures, same thing. I want to check if I'm on the right spot. Yes. Second check. Nice. Perfectly installed. So, next one. The center plug. Get it on the right spot. Nice, like that. Now you get the ring inside, the slide jig. You move the blue ring up a bit, so you can put this ring in here. Get the blue ring on top of it, down again. And now make sure you're gonna hit this little gap with your red dot here. Boom. All right, give it a go. So, boom, flat. This one as well. Nice. So that's the installation of the universal fin plug. Gonna do some more videos how to do that and how to install other plugs. We're also gonna show you when the board is ready how to install the fins, how to change the little adapters for the FCS plug. But yeah, super stoked on this product. It's easy to install, as you know. And yeah, I'm super stoked that we have it in here. And you can find everything on our website. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, give a like, and then you're always with us. Cheers.